Mrs. Porter here to get you ready for your next diagnostic tests, the last ones of this school year. Once again, you'll be taking both math and reading tests over the next few days, and you'll need to keep some things in mind as you do. You've been learning for another 4 months, working hard on math and reading skills every school day. By now, you should know what I'm going to say. We expect your score to go up. If it goes down, it's pretty likely that you aren't giving your best effort, and that is not acceptable. During our last round of diagnostics, we had a ridiculous number of high school students get rush alerts and score plummets, more than from K to 8 in all 3 schools combined. You're older and certainly should be taking things more seriously as you are rapidly approaching the responsibilities of adulthood. We will use the information from this diagnostic to make a lot of decisions about things like whether you need remediation before you take the SAT, or are you really ready for the next classes you're supposed to take? And of course, are you on track to graduate? The point is, this information is important for the next steps of your education. If it doesn't look like your results are your best effort, we will have to make you take this test again. Assuming you don't love taking these, I'll ask you this. Do you really want to have to take it twice because you didn't take it seriously? So let's review the things you can do to make sure you are giving every part of both tests your very best efforts the first time. Then there won't have to be a second time. First, take your time. Do not rush through the questions. Second, stay focused. Don't let your mind wander. Keep your attention fully on doing your best on each question. To help with that, here's tip number 3. Wear headphones. There are some portions of the test that will have audio you need to hear, but it also just helps you block out outside noise and distractions. Number 4, read carefully. Read every word of every reading passage, every question, every diagram and graphic, and every single answer choice. It helps me to whisper read out loud so I'm seeing and hearing the words. Give that a try very quietly. And number 5, use scratch paper. Whether it's your math or reading diagnostic, having a piece of paper handy to write out ideas, work problems, or take notes as you read will help. As you take your test, keep in mind the score you need to beat. Your score from the second diagnostic in December, or possibly your first diagnostic if you went down last time. To help with this, your teacher will give you your tracking sheet to keep on the corner of your desk while you work on your test. When you finish your test, your new diagnostic score will pop up on your screen. Go ahead and record that score on your tracking sheet in the Diagnostic 3 column on the row for the correct range. Your score should be higher, but it may still be on the same row as your last score. It's even better if it fits into the range above. Next, figure out if your score went up or down. Circle increased or decreased in the Diagnostic 3 box and calculate how much your score went up or down. If you finish your test and you know it wasn't your best effort, go ahead and ask your teacher if you can try again. Now it's time for me to stop talking and for you to start showing what you can do. I just know it's going to be amazing.